Friends, so good evening. Today we'll discuss our stock market. What is the reason behind the falling today's stock market? Because if we see there is a 635 points fall in the Sensex and around 350 points fall in the Nifty. That is a both sectors both the indexes had fall by big numbers. This is the very big news coming around that this is folly because of the COVID cases are increasing globally and ahead of release of Reserve Bank of India latest policy. Let it be in that they are in the global market. US trying to increase these interest rates. That's why in the coming in the so that is in the market has tried to sell it off whatever stock they have, so that the market crashing so early. This, if you see here, this is the news. You can say the Indian equity market declined sharply amid concern over the COVID cases globally and apprehension ahead of the release of the Reserve Bank of India latest policy meet minutes and key macroeconomic data from the US. Selling was seen across all major sectors except healthcare, pharma, IT sectors, with the fear of recession lingering. 30 shares Sensex crashed 635 points to in 61067, while its broader peer Nifty 50 ended below 18200 level. You can see Sensex crashes 635 points to 61,067, while its broader peer Nifty below 1802 level. Meanwhile, the market capitalization of all listed company BSE declined 4.5 lakh crores to 282 lakh crores. But there is a big decline in the BSE. You can see 4 approx. You can say 5 lakh crores. 5 lakh crores market has been crashed. In Sensex by the Industrial Bank, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finsab, Maruti, Ultratech Cement were top losers, falling over 2%. Tata Motors, Axis Bank, Kotak Bank, Bajaj Finance, SBI also closed with cuts. However, the Sun Pharma, SL Tech, TCS, Tech Mahindra, and Nestle closed with gains. You can see the sectoral Nifty healthcare index surged 2.6%. Nifty pharma rose 2.39%. Nifty IT increased 0.3%, while Nifty bank, Nifty metal declined. And there is an also surge. And in the broader market, Nifty mid cap 50 dropped 1.37%, and small cap 50 fell 1.6%. BSE Sensex dropped more than 1000 points from the day side to slip below the 61,000 mark around 2:30 p.m. The 30 back index was down 700 points around 2:30 p.m. The 30 pack index was down 700 points. This is the point. This point not without this. It's if you see the market the closing time there after 1 p.m. there will big change. If you're in the morning, there is a small changes it comes, but if you see afternoon, after 3 or after 2 sometime, but after 1 p.m. you see there is a big changes come after 1 p.m. You have to, if you follow the market, then you see that there is I on the in I think in this month only, if you see there is an also big there are many more ups and downs are coming. Nifty come to 1800 to 18,200 also, and there are also level they has crossed, and this is very because it has crossed 18,000 level. So now this is the very big news, because 80,000 has crossed, and there is a very there is a very big sale up by the investors due to Christmas, and there is a and the COVID cases in the China. That's why the people are selling their stocks, and they are not keeping with it, because they have also. And this is also coming was coming in the market, that in past 1 week I have listened from many person that the market is going to be crashed by very big numbers, and that happens today also. And I think it will be continue, because government is also in China, if you see that the COVID cases will be also be growing, and it is not that it will not impact our Indian market. It will also impact, because China more than I think many products are coming from China, and China is, you can see, you have to except that even now India is dependent on the China, because every electric things, every not India is not dependent. It is fully dependent on China, because India, it has to it has to accept, the material from China also, because everything India is not independent so much. It can manufacture its own products, and even small parts of TV, computers, and electric products, because China is a well diverged in all the electric things, because it can manufacture anything. And because of its technology and its level of investment it have, and type of technology and type of education it provide to its your youngsters, and all these are things that impacts very much to the market. So we before going to wrap up, we also see what happened going on as the COVID-19 cases are rising in China. Indian AC market ended lower. You can see here what is the news is coming. A COVID-19 cases are rising in China. Asian markets ended lower. Japan's Nikkei 225 fell 0.68%. South Korea Kospi plunged 0.19%. China Shanghai Composite declined 0.17%. The rupee posted a moderate decline against the dollar on Wednesday. The rupee last traded at 82.812 dollar, and compared with 82.75% in the 82.75 in the previous session. The Brent crude February futures surged 1.44% to 81.1% per barrel. The market breadth was skewed in favor of bears. About 2765 stock declined, 786 gained, and 113 remained unchanged. Amid dispute in cases of the COVID in China and the Indian Health Minister Mandibia reviewed the situation with the experts. The COVID is not over it. In that they are saying that COVID is not over it. It will continue. I have that all the concerned be alert and strengthen surveillance. The minister said. Reserve Bank of World releasing minutes of its latest monetary policy meeting held earlier this week. The traders will be looking toward the cues on the rate hike trajectory from what members said in the latest minute profit booking. Santa really fizzled out ahead of the Christmas as the trade book profit sale of the trade table amid looming fears of the global recession. Indian markets have remained volatile in the last few sessions on the back of a muted global mood. Surge in VIX. The fears caused India sort of rapidly after the sudden sale of the Dalal Street. India VIX jumped as much as 12% to hit a 15.43 levels, indicating the spooked and jittered sentiments of the trader back home. This is all the news that means news is coming that if I come here and find what is the Nifty, you can see 320 points are fall or 1.77% today. This is a fall by today. And if you suppose if you are an option trader, then is a very big money you can create by making by suppose if I saw there is an 18,006. It opens at 18,006 six level, and you suppose you in the in the money. If you just put if you buy a put at 18,000, then suppose you and if I go suppose if you check the prices of the Nifty, uh nifty nifty 50, 18,000 p p rate, then is 149. That was 29 December. That was very high, because option price that was 12 p.m. and high. This is price. You can see that there is a big movement coming up. There is 25 points, means you can gain lots. And this is I think this is showing for futures, not for options. And if you go for option now, if you find it the app in the Zerodha or Upstock, like that apps, then you find that very big moment. On the earlier I was make an investment of only 700 rupees, and that turned into those 3200 rupees. That means gain of 2500 in one day, because market from 3 to 400 hikes on the same day. That happens only after 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. You have to very for clear, then and you have to take a risk for the same, that market is going high or low. This works. And so before suppose you are going to invest in option trading, just what you need to do, you just have need to just check out what is the position of Dow Jones. Dow Jones, if this is for the current day. Today is market open for the Dow Jones, because that's now today, now morning in the America showed, and now here in India it is the night, and we runs opposite of the what the America have. So that today market size very little bit, that is, I think it will remain the sidelines, so that there will not be big move or coming today. But if you go for then 22 December, then they will see the there is an if you find here 22 December 2022 then you will see, then is Down's generation ratio jumped 1.655% due to questions. 28, no, not this one. If we have just search it out, and Downs on 2022, then you will see what is happening. And there is a very big changes in the global market. And there is also reason why this market crash, Nifty crashed today, because global market has already crashed more than 300 points of Dow Jones, and other markets are also crossed. So that this period also comes to India, and on markets in Nifty and Sex has crossed its level. So before investing, be careful. And if you say, I will also seen that in previous week the polycab was available at 3000 rupees, and now and today if you check for polycab, then it is available on 2590, means 500 per share has down in polycab. And other sectors are also fall in a very big down in the polycab. Every sector they have, every sector has fallen out. So before investing, be careful. And this is now the time you can invest, because market is going down, and now you can invest. So thank you.